Choosing roofing shingles often comes down to a few simple questions. How much does it cost? How long will it last? And how well will it hold up over time? Two of the most common options are 3-tab shingles and architectural shingles. Both are asphalt shingles. Both are still used today, but they're built differently. They perform differently, and they're designed for different situations. I want to walk through the real differences using North Carolina conditions as the context, so you can understand what separates them and when each option makes sense. 3-tab shingles are the original style of asphalt shingles. They're flat, lightweight, and have that uniform repeating pattern you see from older roofs. They're still manufactured today, and they're still code compliant in many areas. Under normal conditions, 3-tab shingles are typically designed to last around 15 years or so. They usually carry lower wind ratings compared to newer shingle designs, and their construction is a single layer material. The primary advantage of 3-tab shingles is pretty straightforward. They cost less upfront. Architectural shingles are built differently. They're made by laminating multiple layers of asphalt together. That added thickness makes them heavier, stronger, and more resistant to wind and weather. Instead of a flat appearance, they have depth and structure, which is why they're often called dimensional shingles. Now, architectural shingles are commonly rated for winds of around 110 miles an hour or more, depending on the product and installation method. Their expected service life is typically in the range of 25, 30, and sometimes longer. Because of those characteristics, architectural shingles are widely used in residential roof replacements today. Now, from a pricing standpoint, the difference is clear. 3-tab shingles have a lower initial installation cost. Architectural shingles cost more upfront. Comparison becomes more important as over time. If one roof system is designed to last 15 years or so and the other is designed to last closer to 30, the replacement cycle is different. Replacing a roof earlier means paying for labor, tear-off, disposal, and materials again sooner. When these costs are spread across the life of the roof, architectural shingles often result in a lower cost per year of ownership, even though the initial price is higher. That doesn't make 3-tab shingles wrong. It just means the value equation changes depending on how long the roof is expected to be in service. In North Carolina, roof performance is closely tied to weather. Thunderstorms, tropical systems, and seasonal wind events are part of normal conditions here. Many 3-tab shingles are rated for around 60 to 70 miles per hour unless additional installation steps are taken. Architectural shingles are commonly rated at 110 miles per hour or more. That difference affects how roofs perform in high wind events. It also affects how insurance carriers evaluate risk. Some insurers view higher wind-rated systems more favorably because they tend to result in fewer storm-related losses over time. From a building code perspective, 3-tab shingles are still allowed in many jurisdictions, but manufacturers are increasingly focusing their product development on architectural lines. Availability reflects that shift. Warranty coverage is another area where the differences show up. For example, a 3-tab shingle like the CertainTeed XT25 carries a 25-year limited warranty with 5 years of Sure Start coverage. IKO's 3-tab shingles carry a limited lifetime warranty also, but the coverage, like the CertainTeed, becomes prorated and applies to materials only after that initial coverage. Now, architectural shingles like the CertainTeed Landmark Pro or the IKO Dynasty typically offer limited lifetime warranties with longer non-prorated periods and higher wind coverage thresholds. Now, no warranty covers storm damage or poor installation, but the structure of architectural shingles warranties generally reflects their higher performance standards. Now, there are situations where 3-tab shingles are a reasonable option. Rental properties, short-term ownership plans, maybe a project with really strict budget limitations, or homes with specific appearance requirements from a homeowners association. In those cases, minimizing upfront costs can be a practical priority. Now, in conclusion, for homes where long-term durability, storm resistance, warranty strength, and resale confidence matter, architectural shingles offer measurable advantages. They last longer, they carry higher wind ratings, and they tend to align better with modern insurance and manufacturing standards. That's why architectural shingles are widely used in residential roofing today. The right choice depends on the property, the budget, and how long the roof is expected to serve the home. Now, if you're planning a roof replacement, understanding these differences before making a decision can prevent surprises later. There's a full written homeowner's guide available on our website that breaks down this in all detail. And when you're ready, a professional inspection can help determine which option fits your specific situation.